Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This video is about planting sun rose, that is Portulaca, in a hanging basket. The scientific name of the plant is Portulaca grandiflora, and it has many common names such as Portulaca grandiflora, rose moss, Mexican rose, moss rose, sun rose, table rose, rock rose, moss rose, purslane, dasbaje ka fool, etc. Well, in the meanwhile, I would like to request you to share, comment, like, and subscribe the channel. And here, as you can see, the small pot with a red flower is one of the branches that I have planted to see if it grows and flowers. And the soil that is being turned around is the same soil in which I have kept the Portulaca plants. It was kept just a week or so ago, so the soil is full of manure and it is ready to use. There's no need to use fresh soil. And here you can cut out the branches of the plant, because if you use the root portion of the plants, they will not grow fast and they will not flower fast. Only the branches will give you the best results. Though they are sometimes called perennials, actually these are annuals, because the plant will remain a perennial for some years, provided it is given food and other things, manure and other things. But the problem is that the flowers always come from new branches that come out of the old ones, and the old ones do not grow much, and they maximum grow to a height of 1 to 1.5 feet. And this is the basket, hanging basket, that also was not used for some time, and the soil is good, and I mixed them together, and I'll be adding some other manures also, like this is seaweed extract. As you know, the seaweed extract granules, the algae, red and green algae that is from the ocean, and this is perlite, that is volcanic glass material, that is ultra lightweight, and it has several small numerous holes which can hold moisture and release to the plant as and when required, and make the pot very lightweight, and it is very good for making the soil free from claying and compacting, and it will give enough aeration while keeping the necessary amount of water content in the hanging basket. So you have to turn it around as much as possible, so that the whole thing is mixed together properly before you put it into the plant. Otherwise it will form small packets of separate items at separate places, and that won't be a good thing for the plant. Now I'll be putting somewhat half portion of the basket's capacity with the soil mix. Then I'll be planting the Portulaca plants one by one, and once that is done, I'll fill up the rest of it, because if you fill to the brim and or to the required quantity, and then you try to plant, that will be kind of pushing in, that will make the tender tips way of cut abrased, and it will be difficult to grow. This will be an easier method, so that it will be very good for the plant and you will get a good growth. See, this has almost been filled up. You can see a lot many of the branches, and I'll be putting some water, and after that it can be put in a shady place for 1 or 2 days before it is being hanged in the place where the hanging basket is usually hanged. You won't see any seepage of water here because there is no hole in the bottom. The hole is at the middle of the basket, so that the basket retains some water always. And most of the plants that I plant in hanging baskets, they are the ones which can tolerate a little bit of more moisture. And see the root ball of the old plants that I'll be planting in the old planter from which it has been taken out.